To clone apps in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open Settings on your device. Next step is to enter security and privacy options right here, and then you can scroll down until you find the private space. If you click on it, you'll be able to perform setup for private space. I've made the dedicated video about it, so if you need help for the setup, you can watch it on this channel, and then when your private space is created, you'll be able to clone your apps, and it looks like this. So you need to go back, swipe up like this so you can see the app screen, and then scroll down to the private space. Usually you will need to unlock it, so click on this lock icon and enter a password that you used for your private space, and then you will already see different apps that are below right here. So for example, we have Chrome that is already cloned. So we have our standard Chrome, and then we have the security Chrome. So these two apps use different instances. You can log into different accounts on both of them if you like. If you want to add additional apps, like for example clone WhatsApp, you can click on this plus button, then install an app and search for WhatsApp. Install it right here and wait a couple of moments until it's installed. Also, you can go back and open normal Google Play Store without the security folder, and then look for WhatsApp as well. And when we have both apps, as you can see, we can open WhatsApp again in the secure area, and then we can open normal WhatsApp that we've downloaded, and those two apps will again be different. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.